की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Keserka Jilla ba polling do ulapan ha perdano ya ke 30th state level inter-school karate tournament araja apusan. Kabala sedang naduk ka arpusau tering bat ya kabala penkut no ha ka arpun rio tering unaitung araja apusan ha multi-purpose indoor hall SAI STC Nihu Shillong. Hagni asngila sa kilang daw General Secretary ng Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba finally ki paryat badu Chief Accounts Officer jangka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited uba aibor lang Shabong kibalalong kum ki sembut kongsan. Habab hai shekinong job hagni ka lumpung yalekai ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School kalalong ka team champion ha ka liang Shinrang kat ba ka Auxillium Girls Higher Secondary School kalalong ka team champion ha ka liang Kinthei. Ka St. Anthony's LP School kalawan haka kerdan ka baar haka liang juga Shinrang bat ka Providence School kalawan haka kerdan ka baar haka liang juga Kinthei. Ya ka nam Best Karateka haka kerdan Boys Junior la yora da Royal Jaden Lahduh na ka 7 Set Higher Secondary School bat ya ka Best Karateka haka kerdan Boys Senior la yora da Daniel da biang Bha Wajri na ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Kat ba ha kalang jui Kinthei ka Prinsi Ibla Poti ka Bapuli ha Pine Mount School kala yora ya ka nam Best Karateka ha ka Kerdan Girls Junior bat ka Iwan Naki El Kongji ka Bapuli ha St. Anthony's High Secondary School kala yora ya ka nam Best Karateka ha ka Kerdan Senior Girls. Ha ka lumpung yalek kai kiladon nyospa sa puprangut ki kena school ki balai shimbenta bakuntum ya laispa kanai puprangut ki Shinrang bat laispa san pongut ki Kinthei na ki shispa sauteli ki school ki badan ha ka zillahi barokawai.
dear young friends drawn from various schools of the state who have taken part in this year's 31st state level inter-school karate tournament 2025 in the past 3 days. It is with profuse pleasure and happiness that I am here in your midst to share your moments of joy in this highly competitive tournament. And I'm sure all athletes who have taken part in this tournament have benefited immensely. The sports of karate, in particular, helps to infuse a sense of discipline, a sense of empathy, as well as it sharpens your competitive edge as a sports person. I'm happy to say that in the last 3 decades or so, the sport has grown by leaps and bounds, and facilities available to you have improved tremendously. In fact, this very venue itself is proof that what Amka started off earlier with competitions taking place at YMCA Bauhan, and for that level of competition to have reached venues which are well equipped with modern state of the art facilities shows that the association has grown tremendously over the past many years. In fact, Hunlang, as far as I remember, has been part of this association for several years together. And today, the state of Meghalaya is poised to grow and scale higher and newer heights in the field of various sports. We are proud to say that today the state has a sports policy. We have the national games which are coming up in 2027. Yesterday I was at YJL to witness a stadium with a capacity of 20,000 persons, and by 2026 we should be able to complete the biggest football stadium in the country with a capacity of 40,000 spectators. Meghalaya has grown. The sports fraternity, the department have grown. Now it's time that we see all of you becoming a part of that growth story. I would not like to prolong my speech because we are all here eager to await the final matches and bouts. I can only put this message across to all our young people that in your day-to-day life, please bear in mind that you have to make a beginning to grow positively as a person. I'd like each one of our, especially our young students, to bear these words in mind before I resume my seat. These words say, take care of your thoughts, for your thoughts will turn into your words. Take care of your words, for your words will turn into your actions. Take care of your actions, for your actions will turn into your habits. Take care of your habits, for your habits will turn into your character. Take care of your character, for your character will turn into your destiny. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to Amka and our young athletes. May we see all of you making it to the top of the sports, various capacities, and also see you shine and become assets of Meghalaya. Thank you. God bless you all. God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.